Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft, and our cuffs are ready to come together. I could not be happier with the way our spots have lined up. Or our red, rich and beautiful. Our brown, we've got a light brown, an antique, and a top coat, and that color is absolutely rich and gorgeous. Now, anything I use in this video, weaverleathercraft.com, or simply look below. We've got some links down there going to take you straight to our website. So, let's do this. Let's drop in a few rivets, a line 24 snap, which is a common size, easy enough to set, and a sand brown or button post, and we are done. Now, for our lighter weight leather, our 3 to 4 ounce, we're going to use our 1/4 inch double cap. I'm going to load these in each corner. This will be for our straps, but also too, one of the great things about a double cap rivet is that it's got a little crimp in the post, which allows us to snap the cap down without setting it, and in turn, our project isn't falling apart, pieces rolling around. All right, let's start right there. Drop in our straps. You'll notice too, those are standing up a little bit. That's exactly what we want. So when we bend this around, it doesn't bind, it lays flat. All right, one more. Also, we need to set our sand brown or button stud billet. So either side matters not because we don't have left, right, up or down on this. I'm going to drop that in, and I'm going to use our rivet hole and not our button stud hole. So we drop that in. All right, easy enough. Let's drop in our rivet caps. There we go. This looks great. Boy, this cuff that's beautiful, isn't it? What a great job. Now, let's go over to our rivet setter. Concaved in, simply a post. So let's drop that down, and I want to set this as straight as I can. 2 good shots. So you can see how that impressed down into the leather a little bit. Let's do the rest. And our last billet. Very nice. Well, that looks great. One last thing. Let's take our screw post, come through from the back. Now, all I want to do here is that we're just going to add a little bit of Leathercraft cement. Really, we're just adding a dab. This is a great glue for leather. And I'm going to screw that down on. Now, we'll use a little glue because these can work themselves out over time. Well, look at that. Is that not a beautiful cuff? Let's snap that down. And there we are. Gorgeous. And how easy was that? Okay, let's jump over to our red cuff. We're going to drop in line 24 snaps. Now, this is a very common size, easy to set, very durable. I've got 4 pieces. I've got 2 males and 2 females. Now, the trick here, doesn't matter which female goes with which male because it's going to bite nonetheless. But I would like to, and it's commonly used, with that inside flange on our back post. Notice it's a naked back as compared to our rounded exterior cap. So we're going to drop that in, come from the back. Now notice too, I'm setting this flat because I want the back of that flat. That's what's going to be against our skin. We're going to use a line 24 setter. Now, again, size specific. And I want to drop that in right in that post. 2 good shots. Now, I don't want to hit this too hard because that could pull that flange in. But notice how that post rolled down easily in there. That's exactly what I'm looking for. All right, let's jump over to the other end. Now we've got our cap, and we don't want to crush that by setting that flat. So let's drop that in our anvil, come through from the back, take our other female piece, and we're going to set this exactly the same way. Very nice. That rolled around there, clean and even. And let's bring that around. Look at that. That is a gorgeous cuff. Very nice. And again, how easy could these be when we break these down into chapters? Which is one of the biggest points to this video. Leatherwork is just elements, and they are all easy to learn. This red cuff, nothing difficult there. But look at that. That red just pops. The nickel spots just sets that off. That is a gorgeous piece. Now, when we jump over to this brown cuff, to me, traditional, old school, handmade leatherwork. The brass spots just set that off, and that antiquing, perfect touch. Now, second big point to this video. We're just using one type of spot, one color of dye. Sky is the limit. Take that ball, run with it. Good luck with your projects.